What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today y'all see it Dyno Day, man. It's Dyno Day finally, man. I've been waiting to put this car on the dyno again for so long, man. But they dyno messed up, so finally it's back straight. So we finally finna get to it, man. I went and got some more nitrous yesterday. So we got a full nitrous bottle for the nitrous hit. I probably make 2 of them on there. I'm gonna turn it down on the progressive, see what kind of power it make, and then I'm gonna turn it up. So what I'm about to do now is y'all know the exhaust was hanging, so I'm about to go ahead and get that situated. Then you know, we can go ahead and hook the trailer up and all that stuff, cause I don't be trying to be rushing, man, when it comes to stuff. I like to just load up. I mean, well, pull off basically. I need to rinse these tires out too, man. I can't be on the dyno with muddy, dirty tires. But yeah, man, we hitting the dyno today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let y'all see how much it make on motor power. On gas, hey man, if you part of the BCG Hangout, I'm gonna show y'all total horsepower, what it really make. But on both passes, when it turned down and when it turned up. But what we won't see today is a full turn up, cause the pills I got in it right now is not what it really gonna have in it. I should say it's not what it ain't all out. Basically, that's all I'm saying. In short, it's not all out. But the BCG Hangout crew, man, I'm gonna have y'all a different video coming. Cause y'all know, like I said, over there at the Hangout, I share everything, times, all that stuff. Anytime I'm doing some stuff behind the scenes that I normally wouldn't put on camera, that's why I show it at now. So yeah, man, that's the plan for today. So y'all will see what it make on motor. I'm gonna give y'all that, cause it's my combination, and I tell people I do the build sheets and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what my combination put to the rear wheels on motor. But I'm finna move wife car back. I can jack this thing up, strap the exhaust, tie the exhaust up, and then we gonna hook the trailer up and all that good stuff. All right, we got it all hung up best as I could, man. I got a little small ratchet strap on there. I hope it hold through the session before it burn up, cause it gonna burn up. I got it at the end part where it's all coming out, cause that way it broke at the hangers. The hangers broke. But even if it snapped, man, it should be it shouldn't interfere with the dyno. Come on, give me some pressure. So I'm just trying to, while I got it right here, get this right here going. And look, this week I'm going to announce what you need to do, cause I'm gonna be doing a super clean giveaway. Partnered up with Super Clean again. We're gonna give a giveaway package for y'all, man. I'm gonna give y'all the instructions. What's today? Y'all looking at this on Wednesday. So let's just say Friday. In Friday's video, I'm gonna give y'all the instructions on what you need to do to enter to win the Super Clean giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Y'all know I love this stuff. For real. So yeah, man, Super Clean giveaway for one person, one of the BCG crew. And when they gonna hook it up, they gonna give you a good little package. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm finna get this thing off. At least the wheels looking like so. And then we're gonna get on the trailer. And honestly, I probably just turn y'all back on when we get to the dyno. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in, man. So I made it here to the dyno. Good little trip. Had to stop by the firearm store, man, cause I had misdated one of my forms, man, from one of my old purchases. So I had got right, man. Of course I ain't want to go in there cause I seen some stuff I wanted. I held back today cause I got other stuff going on, but I will be going back, man. I seen a couple of them I want. So I'm finna go in here. I got here about 30 minutes early, so I'm finna go in here and fill the paperwork out, get all that done. Then I got to pour the gas in the tank and all that other stuff, you know. I went ahead and got here, put the bottle in and everything else, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and handle it, then I'm gonna get this thing out the trailer. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. So back in the truck already. The car still on the trailer. The dyno or something, the computer ain't working or something, man. It's crazy. I know stuff happened, man, but I just wish they would have checked it. You know, a pre-check and everything, man, before you get ready to dyno somebody. It's just a good practice, man. I hope this is a lesson, you know what I'm saying? It's just a good practice. Like if you got somebody coming through for a dyno appointment, man, just, you know, run through it, man. Make sure everything working as it should. Prevent stuff like that, cause you know, I mean, man, I was up early morning getting stuff together, and then this ain't no hop and skip. What stuff happen, man, it is what it is. I'm gonna see what else we're gonna get into today, man. I'm gonna take this thing off. I got stopped by Lawless anyway, and I don't know, man. I might see if Jess can weld this stuff up since I got on the trailer, at least for the time being, so I can drive it. Cause right now I can't drive it, man. Cause y'all know that it's all hanging so low. So I might see if Jess can throw some wheels on it right quick since I got on the trailer and it ain't warm or nothing. So make the use out of the day, man, since I done put it on the trailer. Cause I would have had to put it on the trailer to get Jess to fix it, unless I had the wheels on it. But I don't know, man. We're gonna see what it do. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So made over here to Lawless, man. So I just tell him bro Jesse about what happened, man. Get the dyno today and all of that. But you know, it is what it is. So I tell him, man, for the time being, cause y'all know we waiting on something. You in the BCG Hangout, you already know what I'm talking about. But while we waiting, for the time being, I'm gonna go ahead and get this straightened out. Cause what we're gonna do, get him to tack weld it. And get CJ tack weld it. Just to hang it back up, man, cause I can't drive it. At least not on these. So I'm gonna get this thing unloaded, man, then turn y'all back on. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we checking in, man. So shoot, CJ finna get me right, man. Or at least, like I said, we're gonna get it hung back up. Then I can drive the thing around on these wheels and tires for y'all. Cause I want to give y'all a video on this why I got them on, versus putting the wheels right back on it. Then y'all, like I said, we probably go make a lick when I get back, cause like I said, man, this video here was supposed to be the dyno, but that didn't go with plan. So like I said, we're gonna do something else, but I couldn't do nothing. Y'all know what that's all. I was gonna drive the other day, remember when we started scraping as soon as I bagged down the driveway. So yeah, he getting it right, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it. Let me see, y'all see up on there. CJ got me right. All I gotta do is just punch all on there. Y'all see it ain't hanging no more. So now I can give y'all some content, man, on these wheels right here. Well, you know, we're gonna have to get back to the house, go take it out trailer and all that first, and then put the trailer up, all that good stuff. And long we got some, we should have some sunlight by then, y'all. We got some sunlight, y'all. We're gonna go make a little shakedown on these. But if not, y'all don't be mad at me. If not, man, we just gonna, hey, we got something to look forward to tomorrow. But nah, man, I'm finna get this thing loaded back up, get back to the house for real. See, say as long as we have some sunlight, man, we're gonna make it do what it do. Cause the temperature is dropping fast. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, made it back. Ooh, got some good ammo over there, boy. Love that sound, y'all. But I got back with a little time, so that's what I'm about to do. Stick the GoPro in there, and we're gonna take it on a little drive. But I ain't even going to get the drag it, cause it ain't gonna do nothing. I just did it. I just took it right down the road before I loaded it up. It's just a shot, and boy, hey man, it ain't nothing going on these tires. I'll just tell y'all that it ain't a thing going on these tires. But I ain't do much. I just did a little test here. This thing here break traction from a roll, man, a high speed roll. So let me know. He making some torque. But yeah, man, I'm finna go do that. We got the exhaust straight now, where it hung up right now. And let's go take this thing down the street, man, cause I gotta turn it around anyway. And I'm gonna tell wifey to move the Escalade out the way. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. Checking in, man. We done got back, man. I coupled that thing back up. That bad boy nasty. Dolo nasty, man. Dolo nasty, boy. Hey, look, that my first time. That my first time driving that car on them 15s. Like driving it. That my first time on the 15, man. That car nasty. Y'all saw it now. That was a 30-mile-per-hour road. Y'all saw it. I held the thing up. I should have put a GoPro in the back. We still no tracks. I'm talking about white smoke the tire. Like, a cloud of smoke. You would thought I did a power brake back there. 30-mile-per-hour road, man. It probably, I don't know how fast you got to get it. The wheel speed. And see, they're really smart. So you can know what you got to get your wheel speed up to. Hard tire before you start breaking traction and all that stuff. Or I can change the suspension a little more. But like I said, it's more dialed in for the rims. But it's still, y'all, it still is just wiping the rims off of there. So I know about how much torque it would have put down today on the dyno. I know how much torque it making. Cause I know how much torque it take to do that. Y'all know I got all the data on John Jones. All the data on that. They call nasty, man. Dolo nasty. I put together a monster right there. I done put together a beast with that combination. That car is nasty, man. It's dangerous. I'm telling you, I wish I would have had to drag it in the car when we did that first lick, man. It was pretty decent. It spun. I seen the line. It spun. I just drove through it, but you can see them out there. They just straight. But it's still, it was moving. It was moving some, man. So I wish I had to drag it right there so we could have seen what it was. I could have seen what it would have did. Y'all would have had to speculate. But yeah, man, all in all, like I said, I hate we didn't get a chance to go to the dyno today. But I mean, they said, man, next time it'll be on them on the house, which is cool, you know, appreciate it, but still, you know, it don't compensate for gas. And I'm glad I ain't pour that racing gas in there, man. I just had a tank full of racing gas for nothing. All that, man. I'm glad I ain't even do that, but I went and filled the nitro bottle up and all that other stuff, man, I ain't have to do. But you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. We'll get another day. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to find another dyno I deal with too, man. I be wanting a true reading on the horsepower numbers, which is why I go to that same spot. And I can go to other dynos, but the people I know, they got load dynos, a.k.a. Mustang dynos, which they put a heavier load on the car, on the rollers and stuff, so they don't really reflect the true horsepower the car putting out. They good for tuning. They great for tuning. They super accurate when it comes to tuning and stuff, but I mean, and that's mainly what people use them for, like heavy tuners. They use them for them load dyno. Hub dyno good too. If I knew where a hub dyno at, I'd get on the hub dyno, cause they gonna show enough tell you like what you making to the axles for real. The one where you take the wheels off, and you bolt it up. But anyway, I'm gonna find me another one, man. But I know what that car about. I know what it make. I already know, cause I know how much power it takes to go a certain number in a certain weight car. So what I want y'all to do is on this vlogs, and we go to the dyno, I want y'all to drop horsepower guesses below for the motor, not nitrous, for the motor only. Like, I want y'all to drop the horsepower guesses below, cause I'm gonna show y'all the horsepower it make on motor, but I ain't gonna show on nitrous. If you're in the BCG Hangout, you can drop on nitrous. You can drop the guesses on nitrous too, and whatever. So yeah, y'all do that. And I don't know, man. Tomorrow we're gonna be testing on them. That's what we're gonna do. So y'all can look forward to that since we ain't have time. But that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.